Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have your sneak peek video for this week's fire sale. Let's check out what we got. All right, number one is this beautiful kind of decor piece. It's got a key and a beautiful Land That I Love piece. It's $10, number one. Number two is a silicone square baking dish. You can put all sorts of different things, chocolates and butter and all that kind of fun stuff. $7.50 for number two for the silicone baking tool. Then number 10, or sorry, for $10, number three is this beautiful kind of Chinese soup bowl. It comes with its own chopsticks, really, really pretty decor on it. And so this is number three for $10. Number four is an entire box of incense sticks, $7.50. It's got all sorts of different kinds of incense sticks. So it's an entire box. It says that it has 20 pieces. 20 pieces. All right, and then for $7.50, number five is this kitchen measuring cup. Super cute. Number five, $7.50. Number six is exotic fruits growing kit. So you get to grow 4 different types of fruits. Here are the fruits there. That is $17.50. Comes with everything needed. The pots, the seeds, the everything. Everything includes these 4 fruits. So you get everything. Then number 7 for $7.50 is a beautiful wooden box with a bear knife. So you've got your bear folding knife. Cute one, stainless steel blade. We have 3 of those available at $7.50. For $15, number 8, you can get this cool mouse purse. It does come with a crossbody strap for it. Cute little mouse. Look at him. So that one is number 8 for $15, and it's vegan leather. Number 9 is a pair of 9.5 Vans. They're kind of a tie-dye style. $30 for those. Vans are pretty expensive. Brand new. Comes with the original box. Number 10 is a cool remote control boat. It is actually yellow in color, not red, but this style. $20. We have 2 of them available for number 10. Number 11, you're going to get this jewelry set. You'll get the necklace, the earrings, and the bracelet. For number 11, $20. Number 12, for $5, you get this Olay Sensitive Fragrance-Free Calming Liquid Cleanser. So Olay Sensitive fragrance-free calming liquid cleanser. It is 6.7 fluid ounces for number 12, $5. Number 13 is this beautiful lantern. It can actually burn oil, but it's a great decor piece as well. Number 13, $10. Number 14 is our Fat Cat doorstop, $17.50. Number 15, for $12.50, you get this WWE figurine set. We have 2 of those available. Comes with this guy, and this guy. All right, number 16 for $10 is the furniture cover. It is this tan color. It's for a recliner or a chair. Number 16, $10. Number 17 is this cool lantern. You can put an actual real live candle in it or an LED. Either way, it's nice lattice lantern. Brown metal. Beautiful piece. We have a matching one coming up at number 21, but number 17 is $20. We have 3 of those available. Number 18 is the brown version of that necklace and bracelet and earring set. $20 for that. Really nice, beautiful brown stone, cute earrings, and a beautiful bracelet that is elastic and can be wrapped multiple times. Number 19 is a set of 25 tea lights. They're light blue in color, and they are wild jasmine. Number 20 for $5 is pastel, a set of 12 pastel ballpoint pens. Number 21 is the one that matches this one. You got a tall and a wide one. $20 for number 21, the lattice candle set. And you actually do get inside each one of them, inside this one and inside the other one, is a glass cylinder for your candles. All right, let's move on over to the other table. Number 22 is going to be $15. You get this 1952 Chevy Fastback model that you can build. $15. Number 23 is a power precision cooker, and it has a temperature gauge on it and everything. So number 23, that's the temperature gauge thing there. Features a digital display. Number 23, $40. Then number 24, $25 is this really kind of cute, shallow cast iron pan for cooking. Number 25, $24. Number 24, $25. I said that backwards. Number 25 for $30 is a queen bee leather crossbody bag. Really super cute. Number 26 is our easy pocket pans. It's discounted down to $10. You get both of those pans to make all sorts of different things. $10 for number 26. 3 of those available. Number 27, this is super cool. This is actually a cheese tray, but it looks like a dino excavation set. This is a glass tray, and it comes with all the utensils. So it's a cheese board set, $17.50 for number 27. There are 5 available. Then it's for $7.50. Number 28 is another folding knife. This one is a bass fish, a largemouth bass. Stainless steel blade for that folding one. $7.50 for number 28. 3 of those available. Number 29 is a Magna screen. This is great for anybody who wants to leave a door open but doesn't want to have to let all the bugs in. So this one magnetizes across the doorway and keeps everything out. So number 29 for $10. We have 3 of those available. Number 30, we have our popcorn set. We've got lemon cheesecake. We have bourbon bacon caramel. We have cookies and cream. We have cinnamon crunch. And last but not least, we have s'mores. So perfect time of the year to be thinking about s'mores. So that is all that we have right now for the sneak peek video. We will have 5 more items that you guys will get to see later on, but that's what you have for number 1 through 30. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.